Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Land Rover Defender. Let's start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a large rectangle for the main body of the vehicle. Then, place a slightly smaller square on top of that for the cabin area. Think of the body as roughly 2/3 of the total height, with the cabin making up the remaining 1/3. This initial step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions and overall stance of your Defender. Now, let's give our Defender some wheels and define its rugged stance. Draw 4 distinct circles for the wheels, making sure 2 are clearly visible on each side. Place the front wheel approximately 1/5 of the way in from the front edge of the body. Next, sketch those iconic, squared-off wheel arches around each wheel. These arches are a key design element, giving the Defender its robust and capable appearance. With the basic structure in place, it's time to add the defining details. Carefully outline the windows, paying attention to their rectangular shape. Sketch the prominent front grille and the circular headlights. Don't forget the characteristic side vents, usually found near the front fenders, and the clear door lines. Finally, add the iconic spare tire mounted on the rear door, a signature feature of the Land Rover Defender. To bring your drawing to life, let's apply some shading and finishing touches. Use light, consistent shading to create depth and give the Defender a 3-dimensional look. Pay particular attention to adding shadows underneath the vehicle and within the wheel wells, which helps ground it. Finally, carefully erase any initial construction lines that are no longer needed, leaving you with a clean and polished drawing of your Land Rover Defender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.